Okay, SPRO. Enterprise structure. We already made Juki. Definition. Financial accounting. Edit, copy, delete. And we'll copy a template just to make our lives easier. SAP 9. Juki. You want to copy GL account? Yes. Do you want to copy assignment to controlling area? No. Do you want to allocate different local currency to target? No. Continue. Okay. So this will actually go on for a while. Yes. Yes. Okay. You just have to press enter, and that's it. Or do it with a mouse. The company code was copied. Okay. Now if you go and edit the company code data, we go to position, Juki, double click, and we will go to buy AED, and the currency will be AED. Save. Save. Okay. Easy. Really easy. Yeah. Next part is we create a plant. Zap 9 to Juki. Okay. Save. Okay, plant has been copied. If you want to see the details, you can go and define a plant. And over here, we will have Yuki, and we can change the name of the plant. I plant. Okay. Save. Okay, it's done. Now let's go to the next level, that is financial accounting. General ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, preparation, assign company code to chart of accounts. Okay, position, Juki. Juki group has chart of accounts, ZAP 9, because we copied it. Okay, we can make our own as well. How do we make that? We make from this point. New entries, Juki, chart of accounts, English language, 10, save. Okay. We can change the chart of accounts as long as there are no transactions done and passed in the system. Assign company code. You can also change the chart of accounts if there are no transactions. If there is a quantum data, then it will not change. Okay. Okay. Right. Juki. Reset company code data before the changing the chart of accounts. You see, it does not actually accept because some of the entries are corresponding, some of the settings are corresponding to the chart of accounts. Okay, so this is one new aspect that we came to know, which is the reset company code before changing chart of accounts. Okay, so we'll carry out the resetting company code dependent GL account master without general master data. When dealing with large quantities of data, resetting master data can be very time consuming. In this case, it is to schedule the running of this report as batch run. Okay, so we'll go from here, which is customizing. Okay, we'll go continue without specifying project. Delete GL accounts. So it might have created some GL accounts when we were copying. Delete GL account. Okay, in chart of accounts, in company code, which is Juki, only general master data. Delete GL accounts. Execute. Select one of the alternatives. Okay, cost element. Now, these are the records that have been read and it has not been deleted because it is in test run. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll go back, remove test run, execute. Yes. And it has actually deleted these numbers. Okay. No problems have been encountered. Our company code 18 GLs have been deleted. Okay. So this is how you do it. And this is actually available in Ledger, preparation for production, new installation, test data, master data, and from here. Okay. Okay. Now we can enter Juki. Now it is accepting it, save and save. So I guess let's stop over here. It's enough for today. It might be overloading you.